Now, what is what are one or two unique things about me that you found different in this program? Like, in terms of your expectations, in terms of mentorship, what are those one or two things that you found it's different? That this is the reason probably why it works.
First thing I would like to highlight is I think you are very empathetic, and that actually people can observe that only for money you are not working. So you are genuinely interested in the welfare of others. You are genuinely interested that others' life must be get sorted and others must get their correct career path. So that I found you that much empathy in you actually. So, and second thing is you are having very good understanding of human nature, as well as you are having a good maturity actually. So you can understand the other person's problem actually. What politics actually he is facing, he is in which situation. So based on that you can advise, you can give him a correct piece of advice. So that is also very much required. And in addition to this, I think that process and method you have developed now to get a career clarity, that 2 psychometric tests, first ideal career test, 16 personality test, after that analysis of value, interest,
the sweet spot of success.
And based on that, I think you conduct 1 or 2 sections. So that method process that I like most, because that is a unique, and I don't find such type of program in anywhere else. And once that basic foundation becomes strong due to this method, then rest of the things, then how to develop your skills knowledge, how to identify the correct skill and knowledge, daily rituals. So basic, I found that you prepare a very strong foundation first, that is career clarity, and based on that foundation, that other activities of that program is based. So that's a unique actually about you and about your program.
Thank you, Ninad. So this program, the Iconic Career Mentorship program, is designed to help professionals like you to build successful, fulfilling and meaningful careers. That is what I mean by iconic careers. So do you feel now that you are on that journey towards building an iconic career?
Yes, definitely.
Wonderful.
My journey has already begun, and that is a continuous journey. So now I am sure that continuously I will develop in my career,
and
I will achieve some new milestone.
Are you able to get my support whenever you need me, whenever you have questions? Do you feel like that Sushant is always there to help me out even in the future, even after completing the program? Or do you feel like no, this program is over and I have to again make an effort to connect with Sushant? Like, what has been your experience?
No, I think you are easily accessible. So whenever, even after the program, if anyone require any support or help, definitely you are available.
Wonderful, Ninad. So thanks for your time, and thanks for sharing your feedback and your experience with the Iconic Career Mentorship program and my mentorship. I wish you all the best, and we will stay in touch. Okay, you have a good day.